Okay, good evening, everyone. Today is 15th of November 2023. Okay, today is a Wednesday. We will be doing analysis on week number 46, 2023. All right. So as you can see from the screen, okay, today's Wednesday. Yesterday we have a CPI data, right? The data was actually quite bad, right? But the market went up instead. Okay, one of the main reason the market went up was that because of the data is bad, right? The Federal Reserve will be the first, they will hold the rate or even they will lower the rate in the near future. So that means at least they will no longer raise the rate anymore, right? So that's the reason why the market, rally instead. Okay, so I think this is going to be the tone for the rest of the week, more or less. All right, so the following are the remaining items that we will be having for the rest of the week, right? For tonight, we have a PPI data, which is also quite important. And other than that, we have other data as well, as far as you can see here. Okay, so let's start the chart analysis together. All right, so let's start with the British pound US dollars. We have a very big rally because of the yesterday move. All right, in my opinion, it is kind of touching to some resistant area already, because this is a kind of like a congested resistant area. So I think what might will happen is the market will tend to go sideways, in my opinion. All right, so we may have some sideways action will be coming up, but nonetheless, I think the overall market is kind of like it's on the uptrend now. So what we should be looking for is that we should look for a buy position or buy setups at the like a kind of like a support level, this kind of stuff. So we are no longer we are no really hurry to chase for a long. Then we wait for a some bullish potential setup for go along with on the buy side. But for the sell side, I would suggest not, because we have a very bullish condition, and I think market will the moment after they hit some support level, I think the market will go back up higher. All right, for now, where's like obvious support level is, for example, 1.24. 1.24 will be the obvious support level. All right, so I think wait and buy will be the better watch here. All right, so it will be pretty similar to euro. Okay, more or less slightly similar to euro. Same thing, same issue. Yesterday move is already, they move very high up already. So end up they go to this congested area of here. All right, so it's somewhere we are in the congested area already. So of course, market can go directly up, but at the same time, market can do some sort of pullback before they go back up as well. So, either scenario 1 or scenario 2 are likely to happen. All right. But I think going all the way down is very unlikely. So, either we should wait for a long, this kind of stuff should be in our idea. All right. So what is a good support level for this case? I think the good support level will be somewhere around this pin kind of level, which is around 1.08 level. All right, 1.08. If you, let's say, the pullback is too strong, maybe the next support level will be 1.07. Okay, overall, we are stay on the bullish kind of like upward momentum. Okay, all right, so let's continue. Okay, I particularly like this pair because of the Aussie is pretty much the commodity driven. All right, so I think it will definitely will go a lot higher. And moreover, if you look at it here, the only problem that Aussie is happening right now is they're at the resistance per se, right? And I think they have a bit of leeway to go up to this kind of region, in my opinion. So we are talking about the next, pretty possible target will be around like a 0.657 region. I think this will be the level that the market can go up to, in my opinion. All right, so this is a level. Okay, let's move on. So more or less all of them against US dollar is kind of bullish right now. Okay, so what's next? So another one also more or less the same. I think we're definitely will go up here. We are already on the way. All right, we are already on the way. Definitely will go back to 0.605, this kind of region first. Okay, because this is where the previous swing level, and I think we will be very, very likely market will go this level, in my opinion. So we have Aussie and New Zealand are more promising at this moment. Okay, so let's take a look on the gold here. All right. Okay, gold, we have a very strong reversal. All right, we have a very strong reversal in the making. So let's see how it's go. All right, let's see Let's see how it's go. I think gold will definitely more or less will be going back to this congested zone as well. So I'm expecting 1980 is highly possible. All right. So this will be my next potential target at the moment. Selling is really out of the question. Yeah. Better don't sell. Okay. Better don't sell. Okay. Let me go further. Hang on. Oh, silver also pretty nice. Silver also pretty nice. I think we definitely will go back up higher, and which is already on the way. I think they were likely to go above to this, this level of 23.5 region, in my opinion. All right, this level 23.5, this level, in my opinion. All right, so market will definitely will go up to this region. So stay on the buy side. All right. And I would pretty much prefer commodity pairs such as like gold, silver, and Aussie and New Zealand to be on the under the radar. Maybe British pound and euro, we can, we can slow down a little bit. I think the gold and silver will be the better watch, in my opinion. I mean, better choice, in my opinion. All right. I typically prefer silver more. Okay. So wait and buy will be the better choice. All right. So if let's say the silver come back down, where will be the places that you may want to cash, want to cash and buy? I think the next level will be around here. So 22.8 and around 22.6 will be a good place for you to buy again. So put it this way. As long as these levels are not strongly broken now, we should not talk anything about selling at all. All right. Either you buy, here's scenario one, or you wait and buy. All right. So market is pretty bullish to me. All right. So that's my analysis. All right. Okay, moving on. US dollar, Canadian. US dollar Canadian, we have a pretty downward move potential. I'd let the arrow suggest. I think we're definitely likely to go lower first. I think we'll goes to, for example, like 1.365. So these are pretty much, so-called opposite of the previous pair, right? US dollar CHF for the roughly same. All right. Currently market is really going really down. I think I think this is what is happening. So it's of course bearish looking. All right, then moving on. Okay, yes, US dollar JPY. Okay, let's take a look. US dollar JPY have been really interesting. Okay. US dollar JPY, we have a double top here, which is around 151.5. All right, then it is kind of like being rejected again. So I'm expecting market will go lower to 149.8. So we are currently is 150.6. So we are talking about 80 point potential. Market can go lower. Don't buy at all, because you look at the yesterday candle is pretty strong on the sell side. So I think the momentum carry on, and I think the market will likely to go lower. So just to recap all the Forex pair, looks like, I mean, everything against US dollar is going up. All right, especially silver, gold, Aussie, and New Zealand, right? And of course, everything from the US dollar point of view, it is going down in particularly. All right, just let me go through a few more before we wrap up for this week. All right. Okay, US market. US market is pretty, I mean, it's like pretty on the reversal mode. All right. I was expecting market to go up, and it's really go up indeed, right? So as per the arrow. Okay, so where is next, right? The next should be the obvious one, will be this level. All right. So I think, and I expect market to definitely will go here, in my opinion. We are talking about 3490 at the moment, so it should goes to 3500 level. So it's another 100 point is pretty much a given already. So market will definitely go up higher. You can see the price action also very strong, pretty strong. They don't even have any pullback or anything, just like a one-way straight up. So I think we'll go back up higher, 35K. All right, so it's bullish as well. And yep, last but not least, last but not least, we have come on. Okay, crude oil. All right, crude oil is also kind of recovering. I was expecting this level to be a kind of it's like a bounce area. It turned out to be correct so far. All right, you have a quite a decent bounce. I think the market is kind of like rolling over right now because of this resistance level, which is around $80 level. All right. But I think sooner or later, market will continue to push up higher, in my opinion. Of course, the next good resistance will be $83, and after that will be $85. So 83 and 85 will be the next good resistance, in my opinion. All right. And this $80 level will be now it's 79, right? They go to 80, then they go back to 78 level. I think they will try to push up again. So far, it is stay quite bullish, in my opinion. So stay on the buy side will be the better words. All right. Of course, we need to patient. Now it's a bearish candle, sort of like a small bearish candle showing up, right? Let me do that. Small bearish candle showing up. So let the market turn back into the bullish candle, then we can look for a potential long. I think it will go to $83 and followed by $85. All right. So Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Hang on. Okay, Bitcoin, we have a bit of like a push to the swing level. All right. I think it is kind of like expected at the moment, but doesn't mean that it is going to be in a downtrend because Bitcoin have been really on the rise for the past few days. I think what can happen to the Bitcoin is that you see they have this sort of like a resisting level, supporting level for this sense. All right. You can see here is around 35K level. I think this level will be acting as an immediate support for the time being, in my opinion. All right. But let's say the Bitcoin start to break below this level, like hang on. Bitcoin start to break below this 34.7, 34K level, yeah, then we will have to be careful. If not, Bitcoin is, I think, stay slightly bullish, in my opinion. All right. So we have a pullback yesterday, but of course, there's something is supporting the price itself yesterday here. That's why we have a kind of like a pin here. So watch out this level very closely. All right, watch out this level very closely. Let it put it this way: 34K-ish level will be a very important support level, in my opinion. All right. Unless it is broken strongly, all right. Without that, I think we may have some bullish case scenario coming up to push the price higher. Okay, so Bitcoin, because of the some nature or some price action that's showing is showing some kind of weakness, I will tone it down from absolute bullish to maybe to slightly bullish at this moment. I'll be watching it very, very closely. Okay, so well, to summarize, all right, this week overall, okay, everything against US dollar is still quite bullish, especially by silver, gold, and Aussie, New Zealand. All right, so let's see how it's go. We don't have to change the direction all the time. We have to wait for our good setups to appear. I mean, we have to really have to anticipate, right? We have to have a good setup to appear. Then we take a trade. Okay, everything have to be planned in advance, and we pull the trigger. Not like market is going up, then you just follow just because our market is going up. This is not really a good way to trade. It should come from the plan itself. So plan mean we have to well think of even before it's happened. All right. So guys, thank you very much. Yeah, I will try my best to do some editing, and yeah, I will post it up immediately. Okay. So thank you very much, and have a great week ahead. Thank you.